red onions, which is called purple onions as well. Catfish. It's cooked in coconut oil with a lemon seasoned base. Four different types of beans. What a secret, I'll let you know later what it is. Ooh, being creative in the kitchen. Okay, this is my dish. I made catfish, jasmine rice, asparagus, carrots, with a chicken broth, was chicken cream, topped with mozzarella, catfish, 4 beans. Came out delicious. First time making the 4 bean mix. I've done more than 4 beans before, but I've never done these 4 different type of beans that I displayed on the photo. And they're delicious, high in protein. You have to just step out of your comfort zone. Like, this is asparagus soup that I made. Just something simple. Asparagus, carrots, cream, chicken cream soup. You can add your different little spices in there. I use sandalwood salt. And I sprinkle with a white cheese on there. Oh, when I tell you it's delicious. I mean, just the regular carrot, shredded and get. None of this. The only thing that came out of can was the cream soup. The chicken cream soup. Other than that, no. Start cooking homemade. Your children, your family will love it. Get used to those seasonings in the food that you've never eaten before. You'd be surprised now. This jasmine rice, it is off the chain. You know, I'm from the South, and I can say that other white rice, you have to add butter and sugar. This one, you do not have to pound of sugar in there. You don't have to pour sugar in on top of it like that. It's automatically naturally sweetened. So if you do add butter and sugar, it's going to be very minimum. And I don't have no sugar on it. And I love sugar and butter on my rice. Jasmine rice is the only one that I've been able to eat without adding those additives on it. So, but I did cook my catfish on top of the stove with purple onions underneath. Use coconut oil, like a lemon pepperish seasoning. And I cooked it halfway, and then I let it slide into the pan, a little glass pan, put it in the oven and baked it. You'd be surprised, half fried, half baked, delicious. Delicious fish. You can do salmon like that, catfish, any kind of fish. Whew. You just don't know. And these onions, delicious. Salt and pepper, really not salt, but it was that lemon pepper salt seasoning. It automatically have pepper in it. Delicious. You just don't know what you're missing.